Wow. Basically, you can literally start a business for $0 until you have the first sales. Today, I'm going to talk about 5 easy business ideas that literally everyone can start, even your bank account has $0. If this is the first time you're here, my name is Eric. In my former day job, I created a number of innovative partnerships with some of the biggest technology companies in the world. The name I cannot mention, but we invest millions of dollars in new business models. In this Finance Panda channel, I'm going to share with you 200 plus of my own business ideas. If you like them, feel free to copy and paste. Otherwise, you can also look at how I analyze the ideas and how I implement some of them. Make sure you subscribe so that you're not going to miss out. So what are these 5 easy business ideas that anyone can start even if you have $0 in your bank? Do you want to make $700 million per year just having fun or just talking? Then the first idea is for you. The first idea is to make YouTube videos. Hold on. Before you jump off, you understand at the end of this video why this is actually one of the best ideas ever. It's very easy to make. You can upload it for free, and the potential to make money is huge. You will see it soon. And when it's growing, it grows exponentially within a short period of time, very quickly. So what kind of huge money are we talking about here? Mr. Beast, for example, made, guess how much? $700 million per year just by having fun. How about the other YouTuber? Just a medium range one of my favorite, Ali Abdul. Guess how much he made by just talking? $4.6 million in 2023. There are 2 things in common among these YouTubers. In fact, among many YouTubers who are successful. Number 1 is that they all start with very embarrassingly ugly videos and unorganized videos at the very beginning, as I can show you now.
So you're probably wondering where what?
Hello everyone, my name is Ali and I'm a 5th year medical student at Cambridge University. I'm also the co-founder of 6med.
Second is that their income all grew exponentially within a very short period of time. The implication to you is that even your first few videos would be crap, which they will be, you can still enjoy exponential growth of your income, just like Mr. Beast. And the most important thing is that it is super easy to do. You just need to pick up a smartphone, take a video, and upload it for free. And that's it. Let's start it now. It is fun, it is easy, it doesn't cost any money, and you can potentially make $700 million per year. Why not? By the way, if you're excited about physical products just like I do, and with 0 inventory or 0 starting cost at the beginning, then remember, stick around until the 4th idea. The second idea. What if I tell you that you can make $1 million per year just by listening and asking some simple question? Are you in? A little bit of backstory. A few years ago, I happened to join a free coaching training session. And what I learned is that actually it is very easy to do coaching. It's very simple. And the best bit is that, for example, my course was for free, and unless you want to specialize in certain topics, of course, then you need to pay. But in fact, on the internet, there are a lot of free materials that you can learn. The interesting bit is that you actually just need to ask questions and listen. Yes, that's it. Because you're not supposed to solve problems for your clients. The clients would just need to be provoked by your questions and think about what are the root causes of their problems. And then through that process, they will find out the solutions themselves. So that's the key point. So you just need to listen to them. It's very easy to start. Basically, you just need to go to freelancer platforms like Fiverr or Upwork and post your profile there. Maybe at the beginning, you don't need to charge any money, or you charge very little money on the condition that people will leave a comment, leave a review. And then after you get a certain reviews, then you can start to charge people. And regarding the skills, as I mentioned, you just need to learn on YouTube. You just listen and ask questions. That's it. Pretty easy, right? Okay, yes, coaching, there are many kinds of coaching. Could be business coaching, could be success coaching, life coach, etc. So where should we start with? The easiest one is that I actually found on Upwork or Fiverr. Someone called themselves accountability coaching. If you struggle to have discipline to do something consistently, for example, get up at 6 a.m. or going to the gym or making progress in the gym with the bench press, 40 kg, 45 kg, etc. Then you have someone to hold you accountability to say, okay, have you done it in the last week? A, B, C, and D. This is extremely easy, no skill required. So this could be a good starting point if you have zero ideas about what kind of skills you have. Otherwise, you can also focus on what you're good at. For example, for me, I know business very well, career very well. I have a lot of inspirations, then maybe I can be a career coach. By the way, talking about easy, the fifth idea, the last one, is actually super easy. Inspired by my stepson who is 13 years old, I realized that you may potentially make a lot of money just having fun. Yeah, so stick around until the last idea. Back to the next idea. The third idea is actually AI going to do most of the work for free. Yes, you didn't hear it wrong. It is about digital design. And you can make a lot of money from it. Look at Etsy. There are a number of stores making more than $1 million doing prints or digital designs, or in combination, you can download it digitally or you want them to send to you with print, which is pretty lucrative. The most important part is that you can just make that using AI apps for free. Basically, you just need to download an app, for example, Microsoft Copilot or Leonardo AI, etc. Or you pay a little money, to Midjourney. Anyway, there are AI apps that designs things. You just need to type in the prompt in the AI app and then they will design something whatever style you want it. So it's pretty easy. And then you just upload them onto Etsy shop and that's it. If you get sales, then Etsy shop will charge you. They will also charge you a small fee, but it's like only a few bucks per month. It's totally affordable and worth it. What kind of design, you may say? The sky is your limit. Anything you can think of that can be designed by AI and digitally download. In fact, many of the shops, they even provide printout service. So either you download that digitally or you add a few bucks and have the printout sent to them. For this kind of digital design, it's often better that you go into a smaller niche. There are less competitors. One of the ideas I found is that for Samsung Frame TV, which basically is that it's going to display artwork or whatever you put on it when you're not watching TV, so it looks like, a painting. And there's a niche over there in Etsy. People will sell downloadable digital images so that you put on there either AI designed paintings or classical paintings, a collection of them. So you can imagine there are all kinds of niches that you can provide digital designs. The idea just now laid the foundation of the fourth idea. So if you have no money but you're excited about physical products, this would be perfect for you because you don't need to spend money upfront or have money held in inventory. And the interesting fact is that it is extremely unlikely that you can lose money from it because the physical products that you're selling actually physically does not exist until someone actually clicks the pay button and buys it. Okay, how do you do it? It's pretty easy. First thing first, of course, you need to have the design. You can use AI, as I mentioned before, to design for free. Depends on what you want to design, right? And then secondly, you go to Printify or other similar companies. They usually have blank t-shirts, blank mugs or cups or whatever it is. Choose one and then you can put your design onto the t-shirt. For example, you can sell t-shirts on the digital rendering. So you don't even need to actually have a t-shirt and print something on that. You just need to render it digitally and put it on, for example, Etsy. Once there's a buyer on Etsy, click the buy button. The order would be sent automatically via integration to Printify, with literally print whatever design you have onto the t-shirt that you're selling. The t-shirt then would be sent directly to your customers. You don't need to do anything. And of course, Printify will charge you the money for example, 10 bucks on the t-shirt, which you can sell for 30 euros or $30. So you have no inventory cost, no initial cost almost, and then you get just net profit. How fantastic is this idea? You don't need to do your own design, AI will do it for you for free, and then you don't have inventory until someone actually buys your product, and then you just net the profit. Perfect, isn't it? The fifth idea is the little known starting point of how Mr. Beast started his $700 million per year YouTube channel. So stick around to make sure that you're not going to miss it. Do you want to have a lot of fun while having $700 million per year as a byproduct? Now, this is exactly this idea is about. Gaming video. And it is very easy. As the name suggests, you're just playing games and record it. The recording itself is for free. I mean, most of the Windows nowadays, you can have the recording just clicking Window plus G, and then it will record automatically. So there's zero cost in that. You're just playing games, and that's it. Of course, uploading to YouTube is also free. It is super fun, there's no extra effort, you don't need to pay anything, and you can potentially make $700 million per year. I love that. Here you go, 5 business ideas that are simple and can start without any money. Which one do you like the most? Leave me in the comments below. Hold on, one very important topic before you go. The like and the subscribe buttons are for free. And 85% of you have not been subscribing to the channel. You cannot imagine how much a difference you can make just by clicking those tiny little buttons to keep the channel going. Would really appreciate that if you can click the like button and the subscribe button now. Thank you, and see you next time.